since this is an unboxing, we're gonna need some more space on this table, so don't need this. Let's go ahead and grab our box. And if you're wondering what a smart helmet is, this thing has Bluetooth, it has integrated tail lights, it has this thing called mesh intercom, which allows you to talk to other people wearing an R1 EVO up to 900 yards away. This thing has voice command, it has speakers, it is fully loaded, and we're gonna unbox it right now. So, pop this open. For size, this is the matte black large. Thing out. There's nothing else in the box. It looks like everything is going to be in our helmet here. So we can go ahead and take that, take this. We'll set those down there and get back to the helmet. It's got this nice plastic bag that I'm sure is very loud. Check that too. Alright, so we got the helmet here. Pretty sleek design. I like that. Very cool, very cool. Alright, so we got some buttons here on the side. We'll get into what those do later, but that seems like that's a pretty nice spot for functionality purposes if you're riding a bike. We also got a button on the back. We have a USB charging port on the back here as well. And this thing looks like it is ready to roll. So let's dive into the rest of the packaging and see what we got in here. So we also got the visor here. Pretty cool to see. I also like, so they have this integrated wind tunnel coming out of here, which is nice. You see some people, they just throw a little visor on there. I think the one I got back there, it's just got a visor on there, which is cool, right? It gets the sun out of your face. But having this, it actually sinks into here and allows that wind to flow as it was designed to do. So that's pretty cool. No quick connect, disconnect. It looks like if you're gonna be a visor guy, you throw this on there with the sticky pads here and you're a visor guy. And then over here we have what looks to be a carrying case. Yep, so we just got a big carrying case here. Pretty nice, it's actually kind of thick. Very soft on the inside. Kind of like the inside of something you'd find on a camera lens bag or something like that. Set that over here. And then looks like we are getting, looks like we're getting into the nitty gritty over here. I didn't drop that. Okay, so we got some more stickies here, so if you decide, hey, I don't want to be a visor guy, and then you're like, actually, no, I do want to be a visor guy, you got some chances there with that. This is a plastic bag. That's what we do with plastic bags when we do unboxings on this channel. And we get some nice cards in here. Let's see. So we got a couple of user manuals, it looks like, and this is the quick start guide. Wow, it is extensive. I guess this is the section that's in English, which unfortunately is the only language I know. So that's about 1, 2, 10 pages. It's about 10 pages. All right, so how does it fit? Right, helmets are supposed to be worn. Let's test it out. Perfect. So it doesn't fit perfectly out of the box. The head feels pretty good. But these straps here, you got some quick adjustment straps here where you can change where it's going to fit around your ears. So if you're wearing sunglasses or you just wear glasses or you got earbuds in, which you wouldn't necessarily need with this helmet, you can adjust that to make sure it fits snugly, you know, and not rub it against your ears or something like that. All right, so let's get into a little bit of the functionality of the helmet. So going through the guide here, the basic operations. That is definitely where we're at right now. Basic operations. So, to turn it on, we are going to press the power button, which is the back two buttons. Maybe that's the front two. I think it's the front two.
Preparing headset.
Hello. My helmet's talking to me. That's kind of cool. Okay, so we got some basic volume up, volume down on this side. And to turn it on and off, it is just the plus button, and then the middle one, you're gonna hold it for a second, and then when you wanna go turn it off, you're just gonna tap it once.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. But let's bring her back, because she was fun.
Preparing headset. Hello.
Hello, again, my friend. So, in order to pair it with your phone, I'm not gonna pair it with your phone, I'm actually gonna pair it with my phone for this video. And you're gonna turn the helmet off.
Say a command.
That's not it. You're gonna turn the helmet off.
Goodbye.
Alright, so in order to pair this with your phone, we are going to turn it off. We got it in the off position here. And it says you press the plus button and the center button for 10 seconds. So let's do that.
Preparing headset. Hello. Phone pairing.
Okay.
Your headset is paired.
Okay. So let's pop this back on and see what we can do with it. So the first thing I'm gonna do with anything with a speaker is I'm gonna play music on it. So let's do that. What shall we play? Not a lot of bass in there, but this isn't an audiophile helmet. This is a smart cycling helmet, so we'll let it slide this time. So we got it paired with our phone, and it lets us answer calls. We can do a voice dial. We can press play and pause music with that center button there.
Mesh intercom on.
That's not what I wanted to do.
Channel 1.
Okay.
Mesh intercom off.
Okay. So we turned the mesh intercom on and off. We didn't play and pause the music. Oh, next page. We're getting ahead of ourselves a little bit. If you press it once, it looks like it turns it on. If you press it again, it turns the mesh intercom off. And so the quick start guide says the mesh intercom is enabled. The R1 EVO will automatically connect to nearby R1 EVO users and allow them to talk to each other by pressing the center button. And then you can enable or disable the mic. It is enabled by default. Looks like users can enable or disable the microphone when communicating in a mesh intercom, which is nice because if you got Bob in the back of the pack huffing and puffing, I don't want to hear that the entire ride. Sorry, Bob. Back to the music. So it looks like you have to hold it for a second. If you press the center button, we get into the mesh intercom stuff as you previously had seen, and if we hold it for a second, Ed is going to play the music for us. Yes, it does. Okay, and then when you're in there, you can use the plus and the minus button to skip track, go back a track, really get you some hands-free control over the music there, as long as you got a good playlist put together. All right, so this thing also has a built-in radio. If you guys are still listening to radio, you can use this to do that. You can scan for stations, you can seek for stations, you can navigating preset. No, you can always use the device manager to save the presentations. Wow, you can actually save radio stations in here, so if you got a couple that you like, you can save those and then just navigate through those and skip the whole rigmarole of searching and finding and going through all the other stations you don't want to listen to. That's pretty dope. All right, so to turn the taillight off, we are pressing the center button and the minus button one time. And that's going to activate the voice command.
Say a command.
Tail light.
Lights on.
Do you see that? I hope it's on because I can't see if it actually is on. And I guess that's why most people do these sort of videos not wearing the product. But this is so much more fun. All right, the fun is done. We're here to talk about this. So we turned it on by using the voice command over here, and then we can turn it off the same way. We're gonna press the center button and the minus button.
Say a command.
Tail light off.
Lights off.
Kaboom. So we're gonna turn the LED back on. We got a couple more options to go through here, so.
Say a command.
Tail light.
Lights on.
Thank you. So once this is on, you're gonna press this big SENA button in the back. I imagine you'd be reaching and pressing it back here. And you tap it once and we're gonna get our night flash. So now we got our night flash going. If we tap it again, we're gonna get our day flash. A little bit brighter, right, to combat the sun. Brighter light, overcome the sun. Tap it again.
Lights off.
And the lights are off.
Lights on.
Lights on. Night. Day.
Lights off.
Off. And there is absolutely a ton of stuff you can get into. SENA also has an app that you can download that really allows you to unlock a lot of this and customize it to you and what you use. All in all, I think it is a fairly slick looking helmet. I found all the adjustments super easy to grab onto, just kind of right here, and then you got the one in the back, but you can activate that all with voice command, so that is sweet. And that pretty much covers it for the unboxing. We got the helmet, a bag, a visor, stickies, micro USB charging cable, quick start guide.
Say a command.
Whoa, I thought you were off.
Say a command.
Okay.
Say a command. Cancel.
More paperwork. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the unboxing. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the unboxing portion of this review. We are going to strap this thing up, throw that visor on there, and take it out to the streets and put it through its paces.